In this tutorial, we're talking about when one chord becomes a tangent. So, here we need to prove that AP squared is equal to the product of CP and PD. And so in such case, taking a closer look at the diagram, you can see that in such case we have the point P outside this circle. Moreover, we also have to prove that AP squared is equal to the product of CP and PD. Now to prove that, you should see that in the previous diagram on page 38, A and B become the same point. And so in such case, the product of AP and PB would then be the product of AP and PA. So that would be AP squared. And that is with respect to the previous diagram that was found on the previous page. And so in such case, here, what we can say is that since P and A are the same point, AP and PB would then become AP and PA, which is AP squared, since AP times PA is the same as AP times AP, which is AP squared. And so that would be going back to the previous diagram, since we have just replaced the point B with point A, and that would be all. And so here we move on. When both chords become tangents, in such case AP equal to CP is to be proven. So we say now C and D become the same point, and so in such case we get to substitution. And once we get to the substitution, we can see that CP and PD multiplied by each other becomes CP and PC, which is the same as CP and CP, which is CP squared. So AP squared is equal to CP squared. In other words, AP is equal to CP, and there you go, it is proven.